Hello, a quick one for newbies to Affinity Designer this morning. I know I got fed up coming to this opening screen and having to change my sizes all the time. Even though it's A4, it's still not right for me. I'm old, so I still work in inches, so I come over here and change it. I change my colour and make it a transparent background. And I go to margins and uncheck that, then I can create my perfect A4 sheet to work on. So what I did, I came up to this little box here and save preset as. I'm going to call it my A4 so that every time I open, I then have a perfect A4. Now the other thing is, if you hit Control and N, it automatically brings this up. So what I'm also going to do now is make a 6x6, and same thing, just change it 6 to 6, color, transparent background, margins unchecked. I'm going to save it as my 6 by 6, and now I have that ready to go. Okay, well that's it. It was just to show you how to do that you can, every time, just Control M opens up, you're already on S6 and create. It's as quick as that. Okay, take care, bye.